How to fix Instagram stories not showing up problem. So if you're trying to view someone Instagram story but the story is not showing or not opening, here's how to fix it. First of all, we will log out and log back into our Instagram account. To do that, go to your profile, tap on this menu icon, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on log out. Log out. Once you successfully log out of your account, log back in. And then go ahead and try to view any story and check the issue. And the second solution is you have to uninstall the Instagram app and you have to reinstall it. So uninstall your Instagram app and then go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. Reinstall the Instagram app and then go ahead and check the error. And if you're still unable to view someone's story on your Instagram, it means this is a Instagram server bug. In this case, you have to wait some times until the bug fix. And now I will show you if you posted an Instagram story and your story is not showing on other Instagram account, here's how to fix it. First of all, you have to change your phone date and time. So go to your phone settings app and you have to change your phone date and time. So disable it automatically, and now from here you have to change or select a random date and time. And after that, check the issue. And the second solution is if you hide someone from viewing your Instagram story, then it may be the reason of your Instagram stories not showing up on their account. So to fix this, you have to unhide people's from viewing your Instagram story. And here's how to do it. Go to your Instagram, tap on your story, tap on more, tap on story settings, and tap on hide story from. And now you have to unhide those accounts. Tap on done, and that's it. After following all of these solutions, hope these Instagram stories not showing up issue will be fixed on your Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.